My name is Arunika. I did my undergrad from SRCC Delhi University. I pursued BCom honors and I'm a fresher. I graduated in 2021 and I've joined IIM Ahmedabad for a flagship PGP program. So right from the moment that I tried convincing my parents to, let me go to SRCC. My dream was to get into a good management school subsequently after that. So when I joined Endeavour, even during my first class, the first thing that I mentioned was that I wanted to be a part of any of the top 3 IIMs, and that was my dream, and that was what I mentioned then, and I'm finally living that dream because of Endeavour. So a few things that I liked about Endeavour that helped me most during my journey is their consistent approach. So most of the things that work that we had done had a very consistent schedule, like right from the classes to any of the extra activities like editorials and all the novels that we had to read to write a review. Everything was consistent and it was very structured in a way that we were able to derive the maximum benefits out of that. And on top of that, most of the staffs and all the teachers were extremely friendly and attention oriented. So we had like a lot of doubt sessions, and we were able to clarify our doubts and all our concerns very quickly. And on top of that, like most of the preparations were very long run oriented. So it wasn't like we were just planning, trying to crack one exam. It was more about trying to garner more knowledge with respect to any of the subjects that we were studying. It even helps me right now during my MBA, with respect to quants. So it was more of a long run approach in a way that we were able to derive the best out of us as well. And one thing about Endeavour that I liked the most was that we had like regular tests and regular checks on us, which helped us to gain where we stood and where we wanted to be, and we were able to fill the gap through the consistent schedule that we were provided at Endeavour. In Endeavour, they had a very gradual difficulty level, so it helped it in a way that we weren't intimidated or we didn't get overwhelmed in the start of our preparation as well. But then Endeavour test series were structured in a way that we were able to gradually improve ourselves, and the difficulty level improved. It became more over the course of action, and we were able to adapt to it gradually, but at the same time make sure that we were giving our best efforts. And besides that, the Endeavour test series also had a lot of sectional tests, which helped me to test out my strategies, more suitable, which strategy worked for us and which we should probably utilize during CAT. And this helped us to derive the maximum benefit. And also the test series were in regular intervals, so it wasn't cramped up or we weren't like asked to take more test series over the last 1 month. So it was in regular intervals whereby we were able to reflect upon our performance and also make sure we improved on what we've analyzed from those mocks. It helped us in providing a good motivation, and at the same time it helped us to thrive, to perform better in the consecutive mocks. So it helped us to constantly improve, and by the time we had our CAT exam, the level of difficulty that we faced in the mocks and the level of difficulty in the CAT was almost similar. It wasn't much of a difference, and we were able to handle that because we had gone through these phases. Yes, so one thing about GDPI preparation was that it was very comprehensive. So we were provided with any and all aid that any GDPI preparing student would need. So we were provided with reviews for our SOPs, for our AWTs, and we were even given a lot of mock GDPIs for college specific rounds. So it helped us to analyze where we are going wrong, where we need to improve, where we need to concentrate our preparation upon. And also the staff were extremely experienced. They knew what kind of questions would be asked in each of the colleges, and they had conducted the PI sessions in such a manner that they catered to each and every college that we had got a shortlist from. So it by the time that I had my first interview, I was not scared about an interview because I had already gone through so many interviews and I was already used to the entire interview scenario and interview environment, and I was able to dive my way right into the interview and not get intimidated, or I did not have the need to break the ice, which I had already done during the mock interviews that Endeavour had provided us with. And besides this, we were also we had like a lot of mock AWT sessions where we also had like live review sessions, so we knew what was exactly wrong, where we could have improved, how we could have improved, and at the same time we were also able to identify where we needed to concentrate on our preparation or our improvement areas with respect to the further upcoming interviews, and that helped us to ensure that we performed the best at the interviews ultimately. And so most of my GDPI during the actual interviews were a reflection of my introduction, which I thankfully got it reviewed from Endeavour, and that helped me a lot during my interviews. So firstly, it is highly necessary to be consistent. So like you could be a prodigy, you could be someone who's very very mediocre at stuff, but everything will come down to consistency. It's necessary to be very regular with your practice, with your schedule, and it's necessary to follow the schedule that is being provided or being made by yourself as well. So it is necessary to ensure that you study every day for a certain amount of time, and ensure that you also revise every day the concepts that you had done previously, so that you're able to recollect it regularly. So it is extremely important to have like a consistent schedule in place and to follow that schedule, and at the same time to regularly modify the schedule in such a way that you're incorporating new things, like starting new mocks or starting a new topic and starting a GDPI preparation as well. Besides that, so another thing that not a lot of people would encourage is you should be able to identify your own thing, so your own strategy. So there'll be a lot of people out there who share their strategy, share their own experiences, like how I am doing. You'll have to take everything with a pinch of salt, and you'll have to identify your own thing from these inputs. Lastly, it all comes down to hard work. Like you can't always depend on luck. It is necessary to work hard and be consistent and always be very goal oriented and constantly work towards your goal. And yeah. So I feel that at Endeavour it was a very long run approach that we had been provided with. So right from the trying to write the editorials to reading novels and writing a review over that, all of that ensured that we weren't just preparing for CAT as such, we were preparing for something even further than that. We were able to derive a lot of knowledge from the editorial discussions that used to happen among the students, and also we were encouraged a lot to follow a structured schedule. Besides this, so in Endeavour, they were extremely encouraging and friendly. We were always encouraged to ask doubts and clarify our doubts, and that is something that I extremely appreciate at Endeavour.